Elon Musk's justify work or lose job ultimatum to US federal employees is witnessing pushback from multiple agencies, signaling a possible rift in the Trump administration. Now, on Saturday, federal employees received an email from the US Office of Personnel Management giving them until 11:59 p.m. Monday to submit approximately 5 bullet points of what they've accomplished last week. This comes moments after the tech billionaire in charge of the Department of Government Efficiency said all federal employees would receive the email, warning that failure to reply will be taken as resignation. However, the Department of Defense posted a note on social media requesting that its employees pause any response to the email titled, "What did you do last week?" adding that it will conduct review, if at all, in accordance with its own procedures. Now, US media reported that the FBI, State Department and the Office of National Intelligence also instructed staff not to respond. Employees of the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency were told definitively to reply, a few hours after the Department of Homeland Security sent a note saying the opposite. Now, in some parts of the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, staffers received instructions to draft a response but not send it yet. At other agencies, such as the Department of Health and Human Services, employees were given one instruction only to be emailed later to pause and watch for more guidance on Monday. However, on Saturday night and throughout Sunday, Musk doubled down on his directive. On X, he stated that the email was necessary to drive out employees who he said are doing so little work that they are not even checking their emails. Now, Trump has tasked the DOJ in charge with slashing public spending and tackling alleged waste and corruption. Musk's email came after the US president on Saturday lauded Musk for doing a great job, but expressed his desire to see him get more aggressive, reminding him that they had a country to save.